Okay, so today, I hope everyone's out there doing well, staying away and social distancing from everyone. But today, we're going to start on our second lesson of actually getting some things going here in Inventor. What you're going to be doing is, you're going to be doing or using some Actobotics part files and putting together some parts to make a FTC robot. Next year in your junior level class with Mr. Hernandez, you're going to be creating robots and designing that for the FTC competition. So with that, you need to have some skills to be able to put those together and understand how those parts are put together a little bit. So we're going to start by downloading some part files. You're not going to create a lot of your own individual part files. You're mostly going to be working with assemblies. So to do that, first off, we're going to go to, I go to Google Chrome, but you're going to go out there to the web, and you're going to go to our objective sheet. If you don't remember, that is tinyurl.com slash, and you see it autofilling there on me, but I'm going to go ahead and type it, slash EA dash CAD dash 19. You hit enter there, and that'll take us to our objective sheet that you guys are all very familiar with. From there, this tells us what we're going to be doing. We're downloading this file and start putting together some Actobotics frame pieces. Click on our link here, and that'll take us to the folder. Now, you should have access to this folder. I tried to set it up the way where if you have that link, it'd take you directly here. So hopefully that will work. You're going to copy all these files in this folder. But however, go back one directory tree. I just went ahead and put it in there underneath the ponds folder because I know most of you had access to that ponds folder. So with access to that, it should have given you access to this. But I am going to go ahead and go back to that ponds folder. And I just clicked on the word ponds up there at the top. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this entire Actobotics folder. That way you don't have to create a folder and put it in there. So I'm going to click it to select it. Just select it there with blue. I'm going to come up here to where these three dots are. I'm going to click on those three dots. And I'm going to come down to download. So I'm going to click on that, click on download. And now this is going to take a while. So I'm going to pause the video while it's doing that. Depending on your connection speed, it may take a few minutes or it may take 10 or 15 minutes. So you might want to just go hang out while this is downloading or just sit there and watch it if you're not doing anything else. But I'm going to pause my video for just a little bit. Just as a side note, it will come up with this message, leave site. The changes may not be saved. You can go ahead and click on that leave site, and that will go ahead and make this keep going there. All right. Okay, once it's done, it should come up here, and you should see your downloads and see your Actobotics folder, the zipped folder that you downloaded. If it doesn't come up to this screen for whatever reason, let me show you how to get back there. So what I did is I came down here to your folder. I opened up the folder, File Explorer folder there, came up to my downloads, and came over to my Actobotics, and I see it there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open up the Actobotics. I'm going to open up my Actobotics folder, and I'm going to click up here at the top where it says Extract. I'm going to go ahead and extract all. And it will come up with a message here of where you want to extract this to. Excuse me. I don't know about you, but for myself, I'd probably just put it there on the desktop. So I'm going to go to desktop. I already have a folder created Worcester on my desktop, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Well, you know what? I'm actually not. I'm going to just put it right there on my root desktop. So just there on the desktop, I'm going to make a new folder. I'm not going to put it in that folder. I'm just going to put it straight on my desktop. It should put it in the folder Actobotics that's already there, so I'm just going to go select that and go extract. Again, this will take a little bit of time. Looks like it's actually going very quickly there, so I might just sit here and wait for it. All right, so there that is on the desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Out here, I should say. And And here is my folder on the desktop. I'm going to pull that over so you can see it. So there's my Actobotics folder. That's actually where I'm going to stop this video at now. It's a very short video, I realize. And I'll give you about another 10 to 12 minutes video on how to open up and start using some of these parts in Inventor. So that's it for this video. And I'm going to stop this one here. And good luck on your next video for this week.